Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best PCV valve is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your vehicle's engine, silently working to manage emissions and optimize performance by controlling the flow of crankcase gases. A malfunctioning PCV valve can lead to a cascade of issues, from increased oil consumption and sludge buildup to rough idling and reduced fuel efficiency, making its proper function essential for the longevity and health of your engine. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a PCV valve great and help you find the perfect one to keep your car running smoothly. Number 5. Mishimoto MMBCC F35T 11 SBE Baffled Oil Catch Can Kit. This advanced baffled oil catch can kit is specifically designed for your 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150 with the 3.5L Ecoboost engine. It ensures optimal performance and longevity for your vehicle. It effectively captures blow-by from both the PCV and CCV systems, preventing harmful contaminants from entering your engine. This dual-can setup provides superior protection. Featuring large 7.5 and 12-ounce cans, it offers extended service intervals. This means less frequent maintenance and more reliable operation for your truck. An integrated inline check valve is included to prevent the can from being pressurized under boost. This crucial feature ensures consistent and safe operation even under demanding conditions. Constructed with durability in mind, this black catch can kit is built to last. It provides a reliable solution for maintaining the health of your Ecoboost engine. What we like. This kit offers a dual-can setup, capturing blow-by from both PCV and CCV systems for maximum efficiency. Its large capacity ensures longer service intervals, meaning less frequent maintenance. If you have a 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150 Ecoboost 3.5L and want to keep your engine cleaner for longer, this is a great choice. What people say. This filter is a direct fit and easy to install. It effectively prevents oil blow-by and keeps the intake clean. The construction feels durable and it functions as expected. Number 4. Mishimoto Baffled Oil Catch Can for Ford F-150 2.7L Ecoboost. Introducing the Mishimoto Baffled Oil Catch Can, designed specifically for your Ford F-150 2.7L Ecoboost. It offers superior protection for your engine. This innovative system effectively captures blow-by from both the PCV and CCV systems. It ensures cleaner intake air for optimal performance. The CCV side is engineered to accommodate the stock pressure sensor. This means you can enjoy a CL-free running experience without any hassle. An inline check valve is integrated to prevent the can from being pressurized under boost. This safeguards your engine components effectively. Both the filters and the can itself are fully serviceable. This makes maintenance straightforward, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. What we like. Featuring a dual-can setup, this option captures blow-by from both PCV and CCV systems. It's designed to accommodate the stock pressure sensor, ensuring CL-free running. If you own a 2015 plus Ford F-150 2.7L Ecoboost and prioritize a clean engine bay with no warning lights, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is designed to effectively remove oil vapors and contaminants from the crankcase ventilation system, preventing them from entering the intake manifold. Its high-quality construction ensures durability and long-term performance, maintaining optimal engine health. The filter features a multi-stage filtration process that captures even the smallest particles, ensuring clean air circulation. Number 3. iFJF CV52001 Crankcase Ventilation Filter for Ram 6.7L. Ensure optimal performance for your Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500 with our high-quality crankcase ventilation filter. This filter is designed to fit your 6.7L ISB engines from 2007.5 to 2020. This filter is a direct replacement for several OE part numbers, including CV52001, 68002433AA, 68002433AB, 68002433AC, 493, 6636, and 526-3190. It ensures a perfect fit and function. The closed crankcase ventilation system in your ISB 6.7L diesel engine requires regular filter maintenance. Neglecting this can lead to greasy buildup on the compressor wheel, reducing efficiency. By replacing this filter, you prevent performance degradation and keep your engine running smoothly. It's a crucial step in maintaining the overall health and efficiency of your vehicle. We recommend replacing this filter every 67,500 miles. You should also replace it when your overhead console alerts you that the crankcase vent filter is clogged. This package includes 2 crankcase ventilation filters, providing you with a convenient supply for your maintenance needs. Please note that a crankcase gasket is not included. What we like. This filter is a direct replacement for Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models with 6.7L ISB engines. It's crucial for preventing greasy buildup on the compressor wheel, which lowers efficiency. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution and want to ensure your diesel engine runs at peak performance, this 2-pack is an excellent value. What people say. The filter is designed to effectively remove oil vapors and contaminants from the crankcase ventilation system, preventing them from entering the intake manifold. Its high-quality construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, even under demanding engine conditions. The filter features a multi-stage filtration process that captures even the smallest particles, maintaining optimal engine health. Number 2. Cummins CCV Filter CV52001 for Dodge Ram 6.7L Diesel. When your vehicle displays a warning or after 67,500 miles, it's time for a replacement. This part meets or exceeds OEM standards, ensuring a perfect fit and direct installation. Crafted from reinforced, high-quality materials, it offers excellent resistance to oil and heat for a long service life. This ensures reliable performance and protects your engine. It effectively removes oil vapor, reducing engine wear and preventing blockages. This helps to improve engine longevity and maintain optimal performance. Designed for 6.7L diesel Cummins engines in Dodge Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models from 2007.5 to 2024. It also fits various Freightliner and Ford models. This part is equivalent to OE numbers CV52001, 904-418, 493, 6636, 68002433AC, and 68002433AB. Purchase with confidence thanks to our lifetime warranty. If this part ever fails, we'll replace it, saving you significant costs compared to dealer prices. What we like. Constructed with reinforced, oil and heat-resistant material, this filter offers a long service life. It effectively removes oil vapor to protect your engine and reduce wear. If you own a 6.7L Cummins engine, especially a Dodge Ram from 2007.5 to 2024, and want peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, this is a solid investment. What people say. It is a direct fit and works perfectly. The filter is well made and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. Dodge Ram Crankcase Breather Mopar OEM. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine Mopar crankcase breather. It's designed specifically for your Dodge Ram truck. Crafted for long-lasting durability, this part helps maintain your engine's health. It's built to withstand demanding conditions. This breather is engineered for a perfect fit on Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models. Experience seamless installation. Designed to fit a wide range of model years, from 2007 up to 2019. It's the reliable choice for your truck. Keep your engine running at its peak. This essential component ensures proper crankcase ventilation for optimal function. This is a direct OEM replacement part, guaranteeing the quality and fit you expect. Restore your truck with confidence. What we like. This is a new Mopar OEM part, ensuring an exact fit and reliable performance for your Dodge Ram. It's designed to meet the high standards of the original equipment manufacturer. If you prioritize genuine parts and want the assurance of a perfect fit for your 2007 to 2019 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The filter effectively prevents oil blow-by into the intake system, keeping it clean. Easy to install and fits perfectly in the designated location. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.